Now let's move right on and tackle the third of these Newmarket polkas. This one is a very, very simple tune, a real beginner tune in fact, so this should take you like one time through and you should know it. 5 minutes max you have to learn this. So here we go. Use your outer row C sharp there for quite an effective little flip, which is in key. You could use the D chord, the D note, but actually, if you hold it, you'll see it's not really, sounds very unresolved, not in key. As with the other polkas I showed you, slight swelling into the second note of the pair. Don't overdo it, and you can vary your playing by, instead of articulating the second note with the finger, you can do it with the bellows. I'm exaggerating there, you wouldn't do it that much, but just to show you that it's da-yum. And once you've played the tune a few times through, you might like to use a chord here. Moving on to the second part. Really nothing much to say about the second part. If you got a little bit fed up with playing it, you can do this little variation, maybe just as you're ending the tune. So I'll do it again. You could even do it without moving your hand for Kate and other people who really like to insist on using their little finger. Huh. Falls well because, you know, you've got a short little finger and it's there on the outer row. I still don't like it. There we are, a third of the Newmarket polkas. Have fun with those three and we'll tackle them all together in the group lessons.